Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we have a super exciting video. We're going to be running this M5 Touring versus my M2. If you guys are new to the channel, my M2 has a single non-resonated mid-pipe and it has the M2CS DME flash. So it's supposed to make 523 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque, just like a stock M2CS does. This here is an M5 Touring. It comes from the factory with, was it 717 horsepower?
Yep.
717 horsepower, and do you know the torque?
Yep, 1038.
Make 1038 torque? Oh wow, okay. So it makes a lot of power, a lot of torque. The weight difference, mine's around 3,800 pounds. These are around, I did some research.
5,830.
Is it 5,800? I thought it was like 5,500.
No, 5,800.
Oh man, okay, I'll double check and put it on the screen, but yeah, needless to say, the weight difference is huge, but the power difference is also huge. But yeah, check this thing out, super nice. So what'd you do? You did a carbon fiber front splitter thing, or did that come from the factory?
Oh, everything's factory except the wheels and the exhaust.
Okay, so it comes with a carbon fiber splitter from the factory, which is really cool. And then you have these upgraded wheels. Are these lighter than factory, or are they same weight?
These are, okay, so I can tell you this in kilos. So these are 3 kilos, 3.5 kilos lighter than the OEM wheels.
Okay.
Yep.
Gotcha. Do you have the hybrid part like charged up or no?
Yeah, it's actually charged up.
Okay, you do have it charged up. Okay, awesome. Man, this thing is nice. Like, it looks like way bigger than the M2 when it's next to it. Like, it's like a huge difference. And the M2 is a pretty wide, like, you know, beefy looking vehicle. This is like huge. Light up grills. Oh yeah, let's hear what it sounds like. Ooh, custom made titanium. How about that? Let's see what this baby sounds like. That is very impressive. Oh my goodness, I'm almost stepping on freaking cans and shit. Man, that is really good.
Oh yeah.
So exhaust and wheels the only thing so far?
Yep, getting a piggyback from stage 4 tuning. So then it'll push 950 and
oh geez,
1365 Newton meters of torque.
Okay, I don't know how to calculate Newton meters, but it sounds like a lot of power. Let me ask you this, right now it's still stock though, right?
Yep.
Okay, so you haven't got it yet. So we wanted to run it while it's stock because these things are super fast from the factory. So I'm trying to see if the M2 with the CS flash can like keep up with it. But before we get to the runs, we're gonna take this baby for a spin and maybe even get a Draggy test. So let's go. All right guys, we are in the M5. Really impressive. Wow, this thing has a lot of power. You can definitely feel that torque. And guess what guys, we got a Draggy, so we're gonna see how the quarter-mile test and everything goes as well. Guys, this is gonna be a really interesting race because this thing pulls pretty hard. Sorry about the sun there. It's got some good handling too.
Yeah.
Do you know how to do launch control and all that? Do you have like the traction off?
Everything ready.
Okay, I am ready now. Oh jeez. I did not expect that. I thought you were gonna like launch it or something, so I wasn't expecting it to like hit like that. But I forgot since it has like the electric assist. Oh my god, that's crazy. All right, let's see what we did. Geez, just doing it just like that. 11.4 at 124, and that's with 2 people in the car. Wow. So that means that it'll probably do like a low 11. Interesting.
Yeah.
That was crazy though. I was not expecting that. Want to try another one right here? That time it was a tiny bit slower. It was 11.6 at 123.63. Wow, this thing is this thing's pretty freaking fast. All right, guys, he's gonna go get some gas, get some Shell V power. We're going back to the M2 now. Oh yeah, it looks nice with the wheels you put on it too. It's so beefy. It's so beefy. I love it. Oh, it looks cool.
Yep.
All right, go ahead and honk it off. Jumped you a little bit. So we'll get up to 50 real quick, and then once we get around this corner, we'll honk it off. So get up to 50.
1 second. Okay. I'm at 50. Yeah.
That's crazy. That is a good race. I think we need to do a highway pull. You might start pulling back up top. We're gonna do a 60 roll.
Alright.
Alright, go and honk it off. It's so close. Oh man.
Did you unlock yours? Can it go above 155?
Oh yeah, so the M2CS is limited to 188, so my limiter's at 188.
Yeah, mine's limited at 155.
Oh, okay. We got there fast though. Like that was crazy. That was 155. Dang, that is such a good race. That is so close.
I love it. Good runs, bro. Appreciate all of this.
Yeah, absolutely. I appreciate you for coming out and participating. All right, guys, we are heading back home now. That was a really, really good race. The M5 wagon is no joke, you know, for being well over 5,000 pounds. I mean, obviously it has a tremendous amount of horsepower as well. And it's BMW horsepower versus BMW horsepower, right? So their 717 is a very stout 717. And as you guys know, my 523 is a very stout 523. So really, really good runs. I think it's safe to say that M5 sedan would probably be a little bit quicker than me because obviously it doesn't have the extra weight of the wagon. Either way, very, very fun runs. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Give this video a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.